Has a man ever ignored your text message? This is typically the first sign he's pulling away from you. But there's a secret attention text that you can send him to make him addicted to you. Make him commit to you. This is a crazy-ass video by YouTube relationship guru, Amy North. Click the link below in video description to watch the free video presentation, which reveals the crazy desire text messages that every man secretly craves and gets him addicted. Click the link below to watch this video right now. This is probably the most dramatic videos I've ever seen. Because in it, Amy tells a gut-wrenching story that will make you laugh and cry at the same time. And she also explains how she discovered this secret attention text that makes a man think about you non-stop, to the point of pure obsession. It makes him think about devotion, love, and if used properly, even marriage. Once you use this text on a man, he will immediately distance himself from other women, and he will constantly think about ways he can be closer to you. This text messages uses a powerful psychological technique that Hollywood screenwriters use in their movies, and you can use this technique to make him worship you until the end of your days. The second you send this text to a man, don't be surprised if he becomes strangely drawn to you, for the reasons he won't be able to explain. And don't be surprised if that man who's been distant in your life begins calling you, texting you, and telling you how he's ready to commit to you, forever and always. Learn this strange desire text messages now. Click the link below in video description to watch the free video presentation, which reveals the crazy desire text messages that every man secretly craves and gets him addicted. Click the link below to watch this video right now.